Hey, what's up guys? This is Kirby Smith with Litespeed Construction. Doing a roof inspection on a roof that was installed around 5 years ago here in Knoxville, Tennessee. So I wanted to kind of be bringing some things to y'all's attention. We've got perfectly straight lines on the rows of our shingles. Shingles are going to be staggered correctly. You can see that there's a correct stagger right there. That's what you want to be seeing. Hip shingles are fine, no wind blown shingles. This particular owner had a question about a little swoop, and I guess it's going to be from an owner possibly to a buyer. There was some sort of gripe or mention about something raising here in the back, maybe even visible from the ground. I don't know if you guys noticed, I just walked over that section of roofing. I'm giving it the old 215. Wish it was still 200-pound test. 215-pound test right now. Really what that is, you know, that's not an uncommon thing to see. Thankfully it's on the back side of a property. That's just a little swoop in the boards. It happens. The roof decks aren't perfect. That's really nothing to be concerned or alarmed about. You can obviously see it's got a little swoop in it. That does not fit my area of concern, and it's really not anything that would be worth spending money on to try and fix. You see it right here. If there is some level of interest in having that work performed, that's fine. Walking the rest of the roof, everything looks pretty good up here. These guys were installed after we did the roof. Besides having a little condensate on the top, which isn't too uncommon, they look just fine. You know, I think obviously nice straight lines here as well. For our owners, this is a Certainteed weatherwood shingle, and everything looks pretty good. Honestly, the pipe boots seem to be just fine, performing perfectly. There's really all these skylights were installed since we've put the roof on. I don't really see any issue. These look to be correctly installed as well. Nice straight rows here also. There are a couple of lifting shingles. This is going to be from boards pushing up as well. They are sealed awesome. I mean, you can't really even hardly pull these shingles up. It's just the boards having a little bit of movement in the deck of this roof. You can almost see that sort of that ridge line right there. Moving up. I mean, I don't have any problem with that right there at all whatsoever. You've got nice straight rows behind here as well. No staining or nothing on this roof. It looks really nice. You know, I would say that for inspecting a roof that was installed 5 years ago, we're extremely comfortable with this. There are no shingles. Coming back to this area, there are no shingles that are lifting up or raised. They're stuck down on the roof real good. I mean, this is a hip cap that is raised, about the width of a finger. Definitely kind of escapes my attention for concern. Lots of other things to be worried about. This roof is not one of them. And guys, I appreciate y'all watching. There's your roof inspection, and call me if you have any questions or comments about it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.